Hi everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and want to see more crafty related videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose your preference on how you'd like YouTube to notify you of my videos. So today I'm back with something different. It's like a card kit subscription. Chicken down. It's like a card kit subscription that Keisha here on Keisha's Creation has came up with. I did open it up and look into some things. But she does these monthly card kits, and you get it, you can do either the full kit or the minimal kit, and I am doing the 3-month subscription for the full kit. And by the time this video is posted, I have been done, had my surgery and everything. These animals, you guys, get down. Psst, down. Lord help me. I did the 3-month subscription, which ended up being like $25.50, and that's for the full kits. So it's cheap, you guys, and it's fun. So this is my first time doing it, and these will already been posted in the group that we're supposed to post these in. Hold please, one moment. Okay, eliminate the problem. So these have already been posted in the group and whatnot, but I just kind of wanted to open up the kit here with you guys. Now the rules is what I got was this, like, I don't know, I forget what these bags are called, like, yell it at me, you guys, I forget what these kind of bags are called, but you get this bag, you get a playing card. So the rules are you have to put the playing card somewhere on the front of the bag and whatnot. So in this, I received a pale yellow cardstock, the baggie, the playing card, a note from Keisha thanking me for joining the card kit for the month of August. Have fun creating with this one. Some may be a bit challenging, but all are fun. So this is the month of August card kit. So yeah, and then she sent me these really cute buttons. I'm really loving this set here, and I have lots of ideas on how I want to do this, and I'm definitely going to do some die cutting and maybe add a couple extra things of my own to it, which I think we're allowed to do. I'm pretty positive we're allowed to do that, because even with the minimal kit, people have to add to it anyway. So, but buttons, she sent me some twine. Bonnie, she is a ball of energy tonight. She sent me this beautiful lace piece, some corrugated cardboard. We're gonna touch that last. Another piece of really beautiful lace, and my least favorite, which I don't know if you guys know this, I know a few people know it, but I don't like tulle. The texture freaks me out, and I don't know why it's all of a sudden. I think it's because I made bows and headbands and tutus for so long that the texture freaks me out. But this, which I will use, it's in the kit, so I will use it. I'm not excited about that part, but it's just, I have an idea for it. It's gonna be quick, simple, and done, and out of the way, and I won't have to worry about it, right? Correct? Yep. So, but that is it for this card kit. It's, like I said, a really nice, fun, challenging thing, and I've been having no motivation to craft, so I figured why not? Let's try this. This would be perfect to get me out of my comfort zone. I've never done anything like this, and we'll see where it ends. I will probably record a process video for you guys of how I end up what I make. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please, 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 please ignore the squeaky toy in the background. My dog is full of energy today, and I don't know why, because she's been outside playing and running around like crazy. So I don't know. But yeah, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.